This warning has been issued by the civil authorities. Some radioactive substance has spread through your residential area. We urge all residents to lock all doors and windows, close ventilations immediately, to prevent the radioactive substances from getting in your home. If you spotted radioactive substance, hide in a room and cover the door with towels. This is all for now. This warning has been issued by the civil authorities. A few minutes ago, there are reports that if you touch the radioactive substances, will turn into some sort of creatures. They are 6 foot tall. Its head have radioactive substances that can shoot at the target. A big smile. One of its hands are leaking radioactive substances. Its hand have veins like horns that can pull the target to the creature and infect you. So please avoid them. This is all for now. Thank you for your time and stay safe.